and welcome to this quick review session on nursing fundamental. In this video we will go over important multiple choice questions that will help your exams and clinical knowledge. Let's begin. That is question number 126, fundamental of nursing. That is, causes of hypokalemia is, there are four options: A, use of potassium wasting diuretics; B, diarrhea and vomiting; C, Cushing syndrome; D, all of the above. The correct answer is, that is option D, causes of hypokalemia, that is use of potassium wasting diuretics, diarrhea and vomiting, Cushing syndrome, all are the causes of hypokalemia. And next question, that is, during oxygen administration, before inserting nasal catheter to the nose, it is essential to lubricate it because A, it makes the catheter soft; B, it prevents irritation of the nasal mucosa; C, it promotes good feeling; D, it is needful in maintaining oxygen concentration. The correct answer is, that is option B, nasal catheter lubrication, because it prevents irritation of the nasal mucosa. That's why we are lubricate the nasal catheter before insertion in the nose. And next question, that is, primary cause of hyperkalemia is A, renal failure; B, adrenaline insufficiency; C, acidosis; D, rapid infusion of stored blood. The correct answer is, that is option A, primary causes of hyperkalemia, that is renal failure. All are the cause of renal failure, but all are the cause of hyperkalemia, but primary cause of hyperkalemia, that is renal failure. Next question, that is, solution used for eye irrigation is A, normal saline; B, 2% boric acid; C, 1% silver nitrates; D, all of the above. The correct answer is, that is option D, solution used for eye irrigation is normal saline, 2% boric acid, 1% silver nitrates. The all are the solution of eyes irrigation, but most common solution is normal saline for eye irrigation. Next question, that is, therapeutic uses of local hot applications are except A, heat reduce pain; B, heat promotes healing; C, heat provide warmth; D, heat controls hemorrhage. The correct answer is, that is option D, therapeutic uses of hot applications are heat reduce pain, heat promotes healing, heat provide warmth, but heat control hemorrhage is not the therapeutic uses of local hot application. That's why D is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more nursing tips. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.